Welcome to Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'd like to invite you to my slow cooker, my Crockpot cooking series. Everybody loves a Crockpot. My husband calls me a Crockpot queen. So I decided to turn that into some fun videos about what we can make with a my Crockpot series, and I started out with one thing. It would be equal 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of Rotel. Only mine, of course, is home canned. One can of black beans. 1 can of kidney beans. And then 1 can of corn. Ooh, I thought that wasn't cream corn. Oh, that'll be surprising. It's supposed to be whole kernel corn. Oops, Melissa just put cream corn in there. We'll survive it. Okay. You can either use 1 can of chicken like this and a thing of chicken broth, or you can use 2 chicken breasts and 1 small can of chicken broth. Whatever you want, but that's our soup. And make sure you plug in your crock pot and turn it on. Oh, and you also add 1 thing of taco seasoning to this for our chicken taco soup. When we serve this soup, we will garnish it with sour cream, tortillas, and cheddar cheese, because this is chicken tortilla soup.